I find that being outdoors among the trees, in nature generally, up the top of a mountain, walking past waterways, I just find it to be incredibly relaxing. My name is Leanne Wood and I'm delighted to be an ambassador for Ramblers Cymru. The role means a lot to me because it enables me to use the platform that I have to champion a cause that really matters, and that is access to the outdoors. I've always enjoyed being around the mountains. As a child, we played in the mountains. We didn't call it rambling, we didn't call it walking, we just called it playing up the mountain. But now I started walking seriously during lockdown. It was an opportunity to get out and just experience in nature at a really difficult time, and it was a difficult time for an awful lot of people. And I've kept going. I set up a Facebook group called Rhondda Walks with Leanne, where I catalogued the routes with photographs, and that has encouraged a lot of people to access walks that they may not have known about before. Everyone can benefit from being outdoors, and I very much hope that I can contribute to more people being able to enjoy these wonderful surroundings that we have, that we're so lucky to have here in Wales.